Hey guys, it's Joy Lizzie back with another video. Today's video is going to be making some just a normal slime, but which will be very clicky, very stretchy, and will last for a long time. So the only thing I'm going to say is that secret ingredient is, for me, some relaxing lavender oil, which like really makes it work. So let's get on to the video. So you're gonna need a container. So this is the container I have. And now the first step is that you're gonna add some glue in your container. After that, you're going to just like add just a pinch of bicarbonate of soda. And what bicarbonate of soda does is that it kind of makes your slime a bit more like, makes it, if you're using contact lens solution, makes it like work and everything, like come together. So you're gonna open it and you're gonna add a pinch, that much, just a pinch, and then you're gonna sprinkle it in. And just add a decent amount, and then after that you're gonna mix it really. And this is like the step where you can add any color you want, but I'm not gonna have any color, I'm just gonna leave it white. So next step is that you're gonna add some of your lavender, and this is what makes it last long. So I'm gonna have to use just a couple of sprays. It might look like it's forming, but it ain't forming. It's still just glue, plain glue. The second thing is that it'll actually make the slime smell good as well. So now that, sorry for the background, but now you're going to have to add some of your contact lens solution. You're going to add some contact lens solution, which has boric acid, which will make the slime form. And I'm just going to add a bit more punches. And well, yeah. And add some contact lens solution. And this contact lens solution, it has to have boric acid or it won't work. It has to. And then you're gonna squeeze a bit of contact lens solution, a couple of drops. You're gonna mix it together, and your slime will soon start to form into slime. Right now it isn't any slime, it's just like that. It's gonna start. You add a bit more drops, and until your slime is fully formed. So it might take some time, but it turns into a really good slime. So yeah, let's just start. You mix. Still not formed. It might take some time, so I'll show you the finished product. So yeah, bye. See you when it's done. Right now I finished mixing the slime, and it is clumping into a ball. I'm not sure if you can see, but I don't know if it's ready. So I'm gonna actually try. So I'm gonna remove it out of the container, put it into the middle so you can see. This slime feels very good. This is the actual slime, and I can't lie, but it smells amazing. So, whoa, it's very pokeable, very stretchy. It literally is so stretchy. Very silky actually. And I'm not gonna lie, but before this, I actually tried this slime once, and I actually tried it once and it worked pretty well. So I'll show you like what I did before. I added a bit of color. I made this pink slime look exactly the same, and I'm not sure if you can see, but right now it's so stretchy. So yeah, that's how it's gonna look, but I'm not gonna add no color right now. This slime is amazing. I love it. And well, yeah, that's all I wanted to show you. So if you like this video, please like, subscribe, comment down below, and share with your friends. As I said, please keep tuned, and well, bye.